Hi, my name is Bella.
My name's Piper.
My name's Darby.
So what we already did is Darby put on my foundation, concealer, and powder just to set it all out. And now we're gonna do the blush and the other things too.
That's right. So, Darby is just taking just a normal brush, any kind of brush works, and she's just going to go on her upper cheekbone and just blend blush out. And it's best for performances to get a more like a really pink blush so that it really sticks out, because that's what you see most on stage. So just go on the upper cheekbone and blend out some blush. We're gonna go right into some eyeshadow, and what you're gonna wanna do is take a light, maybe cream whitish color, and put that all over the eyelid and make it stick out. So just go ahead and put on quite a lot of white on the base. Now she's going to be taking a more brown tone and putting it in the crease of her eye, and right after she did the white, it's just gonna make it a little more warm in her eye crease. Now, since she did a little bit more of a medium tone in her crease, it wasn't really showing up. So if that happens, just take a little bit darker of a tone and just go ahead and put that on top of the medium tone. After she warmed that crease up a little bit more, what she did is she went in like a V shape around her eye. So she went from the brow line down to the lower lash line and just made that real dark. Now she's gonna add a little bit of shimmer to the eye. So any kind of sparkly, maybe a pink tone or a darker tone, just to make it stand out a little bit more. Now Darby's taking in a black eyeliner, and she just wants to define the lash line. But depending on the age of your child, you may not want them to wear eyeliner just yet, or they may not have enough room on their eye for eyeliner. So that just kind of depends on how you're feeling. And yeah, we just like to take it all the way along the eye. And then sometimes it depends, usually it's stated we like to wing it out a little bit. And for this video, we are going to put a wing on it. So now this is a very important step. When you're applying mascara, make sure that you blink so that it goes all the way through your lashes and makes them really stand out. And mascara should be on any age of anyone, because it is the most important and it really makes you stand out. So she's just gonna wrap up doing that. All right, now Darby is going to fill out her eyebrows, and everyone's eyebrow shape is different. So just follow the shape of the eyebrow and use maybe a little bit darker tone, but you want it to match the eyebrow really good so that it doesn't look too silly. This is an optional step of the makeup process, and some people might not feel it's necessary, but it is a great tool. And what it is highlight, and you can find this anywhere. Just any brand is great. And you take highlighter along your upper cheekbone, a little bit above where you did blush, maybe above your eyebrows and along your nose, just to make your face shine. The last and the most important step of the makeup journey is lipstick. This is super important. So what we like to use is the CoverGirl Ever Ready lip stain, and you can go to Walmart to get that, Target. It's not expensive and it's a great quality lip stain. And what she's gonna do is just line the outside of her lips, and then she's gonna fill them in. And this lasts so long. So it's definitely worth getting, and it is the best. Hmm? included with the CoverGirl Ever Ready lip stain, and once it's dry for about 60 seconds or 2 minutes or so, you just go over the lips with this and it makes them look super shiny and make sure it doesn't dry out.